Assalamu alaikum students, I am your maths teacher. The first lecture of maths is unit number 1, numbers and operations. Today we learn about the numbers up to 10 digits. Let us learn about the place value of a number. Remember students, we learn up to 9 digits in class 4. Same technique is applies to greater numbers. 10 digit numbers is in billions. Each digit in a number has its own value depending upon its position. As we can say that यूनिट के नीचे 1, 10 के नीचे 2, 100 के नीचे 6, 1000 के नीचे 5, 10,000 के नीचे 7, 100,000 के नीचे 4. सेम हर नंबर जो है वो अपनी अपनी पोजीशन पे होल्ड कर रहा है in a place value chart. Let us understand by solving a few questions on page number 3, exercise number 1. Write these numbers in words. So here is a question number 1. We solved it by international place value system. In international place value system, commas are placed after every 3 digits from the right side. 1, 2, 3, we place here comma. 1, 2, 3, every 3 digits would be placed a comma. Now we write the digits according to their positions from right side. यूनिट के नीचे हमारे पास 0 आ जाएगा, 10 के नीचे 0, 100 के नीचे 7, 1000 के नीचे 8, 10,000 के नीचे 3, 100,000 के नीचे 1, मिलियन के नीचे 0, 10 मिलियन के नीचे 1 और 100 मिलियन के नीचे 4. The question is write these numbers in words. So we write these numbers in words. 410 million. After completing the family of million, we put here comma. And next term is 138,000. After completing the family of 1000, there is 700 is left. So we put here and 700. I hope students you will get my point about numbers and operations. We have done the A part of exercise number 1. All the students have done the each and every part of exercise number 1, page number 3 on your binders. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.